What if I told you that a massive $4,000 lump sum Social Security payment could be on its way to your bank account soon? And that's not all. There's also a surprise stimulus check worth up to $1,400 waiting for millions of Americans who may have missed out on past payments. If you've been relying on Social Security or struggling to make ends meet, these updates could provide you with the financial relief you've been waiting for. In this video, we'll break down the important changes in Social Security, explain how the new legislation could boost your monthly benefits, and give you all the details on the upcoming lump sum payments. Plus, we'll tell you how to claim the surprise stimulus checks if you're eligible. You don't want to miss this, so stay tuned until the end. Welcome to Financial Area, your go-to channel for all things personal finance. Make sure to like this video and subscribe for more updates on how you can make the most of your financial future. The $4,000 lump sum Social Security payments are expected to be delivered soon, bringing much-needed relief to millions of Americans. These payments are not a routine disbursement, but a special one-time adjustment designed to address financial needs, particularly for those who have been relying heavily on Social Security benefits. For many individuals, especially retirees, this lump sum payment could be a game changer, significantly improving their financial situation during a time when every dollar counts. To be eligible for this lump sum payment, you must meet certain criteria. While the specifics of eligibility will depend on your Social Security status, most beneficiaries who have been receiving regular monthly payments will likely qualify. The amount, which averages around $4,000, is designed to provide a substantial boost, though it could vary based on individual circumstances. For those who may have missed out on certain payments or saw their benefits reduced in the past, this lump sum could help fill in the gaps, ensuring that they are not left struggling financially. These payments will not only provide immediate financial relief, but they will also offer a sense of security to those who may have been struggling to make ends meet. The lump sum is particularly valuable for those living on fixed incomes who have seen the cost of living rise dramatically over the past year. This extra boost can help cover essential expenses like housing, healthcare, and daily living costs, providing a vital cushion for beneficiaries. The delivery of these payments is not just a welcome surprise, but a lifeline for many families facing economic hardship. The government is working to ensure that these payments are delivered swiftly, and eligible recipients will receive them directly in their bank accounts or through their preferred method of payment. For those who qualify, this lump sum could arrive soon, providing them with the financial relief they've been waiting for. The anticipation is high as millions of Americans prepare for this important update, knowing that it could change the trajectory of their financial future in a meaningful way. The Social Security Fairness Act, recently passed by Congress, is one of the most significant legislative changes in Social Security history. The act specifically addresses the Windfall Elimination Provision, WEP, a rule that had long been a source of frustration for many workers who contributed to both Social Security and a pension plan. Previously, this provision reduced the amount of Social Security benefits for individuals who had worked in both private sector jobs and public sector jobs, such as teachers, nurses, and other public service employees. The new law repeals this provision, ensuring that workers who had been affected by it will now see higher Social Security payments. The repeal of the Windfall Elimination Provision marks a turning point for millions of Americans who had unfairly seen their benefits reduced due to their work history in both pension and Social Security systems. Under the old rule, individuals who earned pensions from government jobs were penalized when it came to their Social Security payments, leaving them with lower monthly benefits than they would have received had they worked in the private sector exclusively. With the passage of the Social Security Fairness Act, this penalty is removed, providing a much-needed boost to those workers' Social Security benefits. Starting in March 2024, individuals impacted by the Windfall Elimination Provision will begin to see the effects of the law in their monthly payments. They will receive larger monthly Social Security checks, reflecting the full amount they are entitled to based on their lifetime earnings. This change is particularly important for public sector workers who may have spent years working in government roles, such as educators and public health workers, without receiving the full Social Security benefits they deserved. The act is set to enhance their financial security as they enter retirement, addressing a long-standing issue that many had hoped would be corrected for years. In addition to the ongoing increase in monthly benefits, the Act also includes provisions for retroactive payments. These retroactive payments will compensate beneficiaries for the months or even years during which they received reduced benefits due to the Windfall Elimination Provision. This means that those affected by the provision will not only see larger monthly payments moving forward, but they will also receive lump sum back payments for the benefits they missed out on in the past. This adjustment is a key feature of the Act, as it ensures that individuals are compensated for the financial disadvantages they faced as a result of the old rule. For men, these retroactive payments could provide a substantial financial windfall, further helping to secure their financial future in retirement. In addition to the changes in Social Security, there is a surprise stimulus payment that will affect over 1 million Americans. These surprise payments, which can be as high as $1,400, are designed for individuals who missed out on their full economic impact payments, stimulus checks, from 2021. Many Americans were eligible for these payments, but some either didn't claim them or had issues when filing their 2021 tax returns, leading to a delay or reduction in what they were owed. Now, due to ongoing adjustments and efforts to address these discrepancies, the IRS is issuing these additional stimulus checks to ensure that those who were left out in 2021 are finally receiving the financial support they were entitled to. To be eligible for the surprise stimulus check, individuals need to have either missed claiming their full amount on their 2021 tax return or experienced other issues that resulted in a reduced payment. The IRS is actively reviewing past returns and determining which individuals still have outstanding payments to claim. The good news is that if you are eligible, you don't need to take any immediate action. The IRS will automatically send the stimulus checks to those who qualify based on their tax filings. This means that many Americans will receive these payments without needing to file any additional paperwork or claims. The $1,400 payments are a welcome financial boost for those who may have experienced hardship during the pandemic or its aftermath. For some, the missed stimulus checks were a significant financial burden, and receiving this payment could provide much-needed relief. Whether it's used to pay down debt, cover medical expenses, or simply provide additional funds for everyday needs, the surprise stimulus check will play a vital role in supporting those who are still feeling the effects of the pandemic. These payments are a testament to the government's ongoing efforts to address economic challenges and ensure that eligible Americans receive the financial support they deserve. For those wondering if they qualify for the stimulus check, it's important to keep an eye out for official notifications from the IRS. The payments will be sent directly to the bank account listed on the individual's most recent tax return, or to the address provided if no bank account information was available. Anyone who thinks they might be eligible should also review their 2021 tax filings to ensure that no credits or payments were missed. If you haven't received the full amount you were owed in past stimulus checks, this could be an opportunity to finally get the relief you've been waiting for.